is Marie-France Garon. Today I want to share my journey with my business in network marketing. First of all, I'm from Canada. Being younger, I didn't like studying, so I started my own business when I was 23. It was a shoe shop and I was excited. I thought I was going to be rich because I was very proud to have my own business at that age. But I understood, of course, that I had to work hard to get it started. But eventually, maybe I would have some employees and I would be able to just come and visit the shop sometimes and check out everything. And maybe I'd go to Italy to buy the shoes. So that was very exciting for me. So as I said, I worked hard for the beginning to set it up. And after 18 months of hard work, we had to close the doors. So for me, that was an experience with having my own business, and I had to go back working for someone else, building their dreams, really. And it took another 10 years after that before someone finally introduced me to this industry. So I was really excited when I saw that there was another way, because I was really looking at that time. I wanted something else. I wasn't going to continue to work for someone, and I wanted something, and I didn't know where or what or how, and this came to me. So I was really excited when I started to understand about this concept. You're helping other people, and then this is how you succeed. Wow, I love this idea. So I got started, I jumped right into it, and I got started, and I introduced a few people. But of course, I realized that, whoops, I had to learn some new things, and you're not going to be a millionaire just yet when you start. And I had a bit of a, like most people, I suppose, in our industry, it took sometimes to really get off the ground. And I had an opportunity to travel all the way to Australia because our company was opening there. So my upline says you can come and stay. So what I did is that, since I had no money to travel all the way to Australia, what my upline suggested, he said, don't you have a house? And I said, yes, I have a little house that I'm still paying off. It was just a tiny little house, not so much value. But he said, you can sell your house, because I had no money to buy an airfare. And so this is what I did. I sold the house and I packed everything and I went for Australia. When I arrived there, it was very challenging for me. First of all, I had $1,300 left in the whole world. That's my whole belonging. And I didn't know anybody in Australia at all. And this business is supposed to be a business where you talk to people. So I had to learn how to make some new friends very quickly. But the biggest challenge really is that I didn't speak English, only French. So it was a tough time, but this was really a turning point in my life. The best thing I've ever done, because it really changed the whole course of my life. Of course, I met the man, Peter Anton, and together 20 years ago we joined this company, and the rest is history. Our business is stretching all around the world, and we travel everywhere. It's pretty amazing, because the day that I went to Australia, I'd been once in the plane before, and then this was my second time I was flying anywhere, and it was all the way the other side of the world. But since that, we travel all the time. We have business everywhere, and we enjoy a great life. We have an amazing team, and this team keeps growing. So meeting new people all the time that are part of our team that we're going to be associated with for a long time. And so this is the best part of this business, is all those amazing people that we get to work with and that we get to know, and friends all around the world, and of course having this amazing residual income that allow us to do whatever we want, where we want, and how we want it, and we have choices. So if you're looking at this, have a good look. It's awesome.